Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today we are doing my Boxycharm unboxing. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more beauty related videos. So like I mentioned, we're doing my Boxycharm. So this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions. And if you want to see an in-depth review of all of these products, I also will be posting a blog post that goes up at the end of the month. So you can check back there for more details. So this month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. Our first product is this Farmacy Cherry Up. Is their Cherry Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola cherry? Acerola? I don't know. How do you say that? I don't know if it's going to focus. So this is an eye cream that is supposed to brighten and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. And it gives instant radiance. It is a clean, fragrance-free formula. Okay, that makes so much sense. Because when I smelled this the first time, I was like, oh, it doesn't smell a lot like cherries. It's supposed to be fragrance-free, so that makes a lot of sense. I would still say that even though it's fragrance-free, there's still just a hint of something, but not that much. So anyways, this is what it looks like. A nice little pink thing. I've been testing this out for a couple of days since I got my Boxycharm, and yeah, not sure about the darkness and brightening claim, but I will say that actually right now my under eyes don't look too bad. I do have sensitive under eyes, so I'm very careful when it comes to eye cream. So far this one hasn't been too bad. Usually eye creams will dry me out, like my under eyes will get all dry and patchy, so that hasn't happened. But I have noticed just a bit of sensitivity, that it sometimes can feel just like a little red and burning, but I'm not sure if it's from this or something else. So anyways, definitely check out my blog post because I'll give more details about this the more I try it. Oh, and this product is $45 US. Like I said, on my blog post I try and give the Canadian prices there if there is one, but I'm just going off the card, which is all US prices. So this is 45 US. Up next we have this pack of face masks. These are the SFGlow Glam in Paradise Cannabis Stevia 3-piece mask. So there is an eye mask, a lip mask, and a face mask. So I'm not going to do all of them just because you can't do them all at once. I think we'll do the lip mask because I don't want to do the face mask and then my skin reacts badly and then all of the other products that we tried don't work well. So we will do this lip mask. So let's open her up. There's tons of extra stuff in here. This has an interesting scent. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna put this on for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll be back and we will talk about it. I'm back. I also put my hair up. I couldn't deal with it anymore. Yes, so the lip mask. It does have an interesting smell, but I can't put my finger on it. I don't know what it smells like. It definitely smells like something. Maybe it's a cannabis oil that's smelly? I don't know. Does it smell? Anyways, I will say that like my lips, they're definitely smooth. They're definitely soft and smooth. And also as soon as I took it off, I noticed that my lips were tingling. Now I don't know if that's because it's supposed to be plumping or if I'm like allergic to it. I don't know. Anyways, the plumping has like gone down now, but yes, I'll try out the other mask and put my thoughts in my blog post. There we go. Oh, and this mask set is $18 for the 3 masks. Okay, up next we have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Hipdot the Hipdot Zion or Xeon now? What is this? Is this Zion or Xeon? Is it Canadian of me to say Xeon? Zed. No. Canadian way is Zed. So Zion versus Xeon. Okay, let me know. Would you say it Xeon or would you say it Zion? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, that's not the point of this. This is an eyeshadow palette by the brand Hipdot. I have never heard of this brand before, but I will say this packaging is beautiful. And same with the inside of this eyeshadow palette. Like, oh, they say it's supposed to be like the Utah sunsets or sandstone caves. Anyways, it reminds me of a sunset. So this is a gorgeous palette. I will say that it does have a smell to it. Like as soon as I like open it and have it near my face, I can smell it, and it's not necessarily like a good smelling scent. And guys, I don't have a good sense of smell either, so the fact that I can like get a whiff of this. Anyways, let's do a makeup look. I have learned from my past video that if I talk while I do my eyeshadow, this video is going to be so long, so I'm just going to speed through it while I do it. Okay, here is the finished eyeshadow look. I can't speak. It's looking a lot more pink on camera, but in person it's a little bit more purpley. But I absolutely love how this turned out. And I used a bunch of shades actually. I literally used like half the palette. I used this and this in my crease, like up here, and then I used this one and this one in like the outer portion of the crease. Yeah, I used like these two in the outer portion, and then I went with a little bit of this shade on the inside too, and then all over the lid I put this shade, and then I also put a little bit of this shade on the outer quarter. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I used 7 of the eyeshadows, and so far they're all amazing. Like the mattes blended so great. The shimmers are really nice. So far I love this palette, and I can't wait to play around with it more. And this palette is $30. $30 for this palette. So the next product we have is this mascara. This is the Laura Geller Lashboss Bold Mascara. Now I will say, it doesn't say that on the packaging, so if they have other mascaras, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference, because this only says Laura Geller and information, and then on the bottom it just says black. But anyways, this is supposed to be a lengthening and curling mascara with incredibly soft, smooth, flexible formula. Okay, so this is supposed to be lengthening and curling. Normally with this eyeshadow look, I probably would have gone in with wing and some false lashes, but you know, we're doing a mascara, so I want to be able to see it. So here's my lashes before I curl them. I will say I'm pretty lucky that I have good lashes. Okay. There's something in my eye. Here is the wand. It is a big floofy wand. Okay, so here is one eye done. I don't do multiple coats of mascara, I just do one. So far pretty good. As you can see, it actually made a really good difference in between my normal lashes and these. It's definitely lengthening, not voluminous. Like, definitely no more volume to my lashes, but they are nice and long. So let's do the other eye. And yes, fun fact, I do my left eye with my left hand. I don't get how people can use their, like, go across their eye and go like this, because then you just hit your nose. Okay, on this side I'm getting some issues with clumping. And if you ever had that issue, you can always go in with like one of these combs. I got this from Morphe. This is an M221. I saw Kathleen like to talk about this. And that way you can just comb it out and separate the lashes. See? Okay, there you go. Both eyes done. So far my first impressions, I will say that sometimes it's hard to do first impressions of mascara because mascara formulas can change as they like start to get a little older. Like personally, not the most hygienic, but sometimes I do like an older mascara. Like for example, one of my favorites, the Lancome one. I hated it when I first got it, and then like 3 months later it kind of like got old and then it got better. So yes, my thoughts and opinions might change on this mascara as I use it more. So far I will say that I like it, but not with this eyeshadow look. I would want something a little bit more voluminous, just to match the look. I think this is better for like an everyday look where you're not wearing that much eyeshadow and you just want to have long, fluttery, spatter-like eyelashes. That's this mascara, and this mascara is $24. And the last product, this is the Phase Zero Makeup Blush and Bronzer Trio. So this is an all-in-one palette idea for fresh and bright complexion all day. This includes the best-selling bronzer, multi-blush, and matte brush in a compact box. So I've never heard of this brand before. And also, I don't know if this is their only one that they have, because it doesn't say like, this is like, it doesn't have a shade name on it, or it doesn't say that this is like for light skin tones. See, like it doesn't say, because this wouldn't work for everyone. Now, it would definitely work for me. This is, and it might be like just a little light for me. And then as you can see, there's this shimmery blush and then a normal blush. I love the shade of this blush. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then we're gonna apply this. So let's get into this. Let's start with the bronzer first. It's swatchy. Seems pretty powdery. Okay. Ooh, a lot is coming out. Give her a good tap tap. And if you ever feel like you have too much on your brush, you can always just like brush it on your hand. Okay. This bronzer, for being really powdery, isn't necessarily it might just be the shade, because the shade isn't very deep. That might be it, because I'm not like, wow, right away. But then it's good because it's not super pigmented. Because it's not super pigmented, it means that I can build it up. So there we go. I think in the end I got there, that I look pretty bronzed up. Let's go down the neck, then a little bit down the nose. Okay, now let's go on with the blush. Ooh, I like this. She's pretty. Okay, so far I like this blush more than the bronzer. Oh, that's nice. I like that blush. Okay, and finally, how do I want to apply the smile shade? Because it's not a highlight. It's a blush topper. I'm gonna take this floofy brush and sweep it over the cheeks, focusing more in the front and there. Oh, that's nice. Nice. I like that. Okay. Sorry, my cat. Okay, guys. So far I really like this Phase Zero palette. The bronzer took a little bit to get there, but we got there. Blush is beautiful, and this blush topper, gorgeous. I love it. So far so good. And this is $42. That's a lot. Okay, let's put on a lip and then we're all done. Okay, as I'm in the middle of applying my lip liner, I just noticed something. So I put on that lip mask at like 3:20 and it is now 4:16, so about an hour ago, and my lips are already dry. I don't know if you can see. They're already dry again, so that mask really didn't do much. My lips are already dry. Like, what? Okay, guys, so the total price of this box is $59 US. So definitely not the like highest amount for a box, but I would say overall that this was a pretty good box. This eye cream, I still need to test it out, but I love getting skincare in my box, so that's good. The sheet mask, I'll try out the other ones, but so far this lip mask was just because my lips dried out within an hour. So those are okay, but we'll see how the other two fare. I really liked this eyeshadow palette. I think my eyes look amazing, and I'm so excited to play and do other looks with this palette. And then what else did we have? We had the mascara, which I think will be nice for every day. Not my favorite mascara ever, but so far I like it. And finally, this Phase Zero trio. I actually really like it. I think my face looks great. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this month's box. Do you think it was good? Do you think I'm just being really nice and generous? And if you guys got Boxycharm, let me know if you guys got the same thing or different. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and check out my blog post. Check out my blog, because my blog post will be coming at the end of the month. So yeah, that's it. Bye.